Are you looking for a way that you just finish your live stream video and you want to stream your video? You are looking to stream your live stream recording for more possible and to be nice. In this video, I'm going to share how to quickly cut and edit your live stream video using easy steps, and those tools are just here in your studio, as you can see here. Whether you want to remove it or you want to trim it, or it's just for beginner, at the end of this video you will learn how to cut it in easiest way. So you can see now this video I have already done live stream now. As you can see, just finish your live stream now, and I believe that you are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So first thing first, when you are done your live stream, as you can see in this page, you just click edit in the studio. When you click edit in the studio, the first frame you can see here is video editor, and here we are going to do the magic in this place, right? So now, how you to trim this section from your live stream recorder, because you want like 10 minutes of your video, or the place very catchy, that you want your video to be pop out in other places, and also you want many people to watch particular part on your video. Like you can see now, you can just start trim or cut. When you click trim and cut, you will see a blue section like this. This blue sections, it will tell you the kind of place that you want to trim. Example, the beginning of the video is not that much interesting, but I want my followers to watch from the place which is very catchy, and then bam, you can just drag it. Okay, so this is the way and the best tool that make your video editing and video quick in YouTube. Those tips is really will give you a beautiful creating a smooth and professional content from your live stream only, and to get your video and the views ready like bam. It's really very nice and I love it so much. So after I have already done this one now, one thing I want to do and not to forget is to save as new. If I click this place, save as new, you will see here that this is our new way of saving it now. I will remove this copyright because it's from that place is giving copyright, right? So now I will put it in public. When I click public like this, and then what I need to hit the next is save it. Okay. So now I have already saved it. Example, I will go back here into the channel and click OK. Then I will go to content. If you go to content like this, you will see the video process will begin shortly. That is a new video you already upload in a short time. So in this way now, I'm so excited because I have a new video now, yeah? Apart from the live stream, this is the live stream here. And this is the video which I just cut out from that live video. So what do I need to do is to click detail, because I want to on the monetization. Yes, this one also you can on monetization by clicking this place and then bam. So after owning monetization, I will do the necessary things which I need to do. So in this particular place, I will review my playlist which I want to add in it. Okay, I will start adding the art now by clicking these places and start placing the art manually. I don't want it to be automatic. It's manually, okay? I will add it manually. So now I am done. I will click continue. You see in that live stream, I have 18 minutes, 51 seconds. That is what I cut out, right? So after doing that, I will click save. Please don't forget to click save in whatever you are doing in this particular place, to be precise. Now I will go to detail again, and then I will start my subtitle if there is any. If I don't have any subtitle, I will click my end stream ad. It's very, very important. I will start setting this video as template. So if I click template and then bam, the next thing I will click is card. I will add up the card and then I start clicking this one also has a template and then save it. Very good. So another thing that I want you guys to pay attention is select your playlist. Please always select your playlist, and this tutorial is to show you complete setup, okay? When you are done with your things, then I'll begin to add things which is need to be added, and then I will start putting my hashtag. As you guys can see here, there's hashtag which is already there. Okay, now I want to put the video location. I need to put the video location. Most people, they forget to put video location. Okay, it is very, very important. Click done or save, and bam, you are good to go now. This is how you can be able to do what? You can be able to trim out your video after your live stream, and now you have 2 videos. Now I will just add the thumbnail. I will put the thumbnail here, and then I'm good to go. Okay, so now I have 2 videos. This is my second channel. This is my second channel, and it's really going well. This channel is about gist. The views and everything is just dropped this month, but I'm so happy. So now you see here in 2 minutes ago that you had just uploaded a new video. Yes, guys, that is how you can trim your video section from your live stream recording, and the best tool for making quick editing to your video. This tip is to create a smooth and professional content from your live stream. Get your video views ready with a simpler tips. Okay, if you love this video, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and editing inside the live stream tips. Thank you and God bless you. See you again in my next video, and bye for now.